పూరి జగన్నాథుడి బహుదయాత్రకు అన్ని ఏర్పాట్లు పూర్తయ్యాయి. 9 రోజుల కిందట సుభద్రాదేవితో కలిసి శ్రీ గుండీచా ఆలయానికి వెళ్లారు జగన్నాథ స్వామి. ఇవాళ శ్రీ గుండీచా ఆలయం నుంచి దేవతలు తిరిగి శ్రీ మందిరానికి చేరుకుంటారు. స్వామివారి రథాన్ని లాగేందుకు భారీగా భక్తులు తరలివస్తున్నారు. దీంతో భక్తుల రద్దీ నియంత్రణ, ట్రాఫిక్ కంట్రోల్ కోసం ప్రత్యేక ఏర్పాట్లు చేశామన్నారు పూరి జిల్లా ఎస్పీ పినాక్ మిశ్రా. దీనికోసం 2 కంట్రోల్ రూమ్లను ఏర్పాటు చేశామని తెలిపారు.
Arrangement has also been made for Bahuda Yatra. Today, after 9 days, Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra Mahaprabhu and Devi Subhadra will return to their main temple. So today also we have made elaborate security arrangement, crowd control, dragging of chariot, maintaining of the cordon. In addition to that, traffic and parking arrangements and all other traffic aspects are closely being looked into. And we have a very foolproof traffic security arrangement in place. Yes, we have 2 integrated control rooms. One integrated control room is dedicated to traffic management, and the other control room is used for crowd regulation and other purposes.
Blessings of God, all our arrangements are in place. Police force, police personnel, officers, everybody has taken their position. Mangal Aarti is going on. Within short hours, you will see the Pohandi will be starting. All the arrangements like CCTV, force deployment, traffic clearance, crowd control, cordon control, everything is in place. We have checked it, we have rehearsals also. So today we are not anticipating any problem. We have talked to all the different groups of the Sevayats and they have also assured for this good cooperation. Basically it is a celebration. We are here to assist people to celebrate this festival of Lord. So I am very hopeful. Security is well taken care. CCTVs, cameras, this mic announcement system, the clearance, everything is in the full swing, and hopefully with the grace of God and 3 lords, we all will reach Sri Mandir, Singhadwar. 180 platoons force have been deployed there. Armed police force have been deployed there. Besides 3 companies of RF, Rapid Action Force, and 2 companies of CRPF have already been deployed. Our striking force, this special tactical unit, one special unit is there that is also placed in a strategic position, and our special operation group people are also there. Besides few experts in counter-insurgency teams, they have also been placed in appropriate place.